So I want to talk about the power of Moldavite. Moldavite has this amazing way of helping you shift to a higher timeline, a better version of yourself by a number of different ways. But the thing a lot of people tend to forget is the highest version of yourself has dealt with their traumas. We all accumulate traumas and energy blockages throughout our life. Things that we bury inside the box and, push down because we're not ready to deal with them. That could be breakup, that could be loss, that could be abuse, it could be a number of things. And the thing people don't tend to talk about when it comes to Moldavite is Moldavite has this really uncanny way of bringing those traumas to the surface because, again, the highest version of you has already dealt with them. So indirectly, Moldavite tends to induce shadow work to be done. You don't have to deal with it if you're not ready, but it is good to do so. It is a very rough journey. It does take a lot of time. I personally have found that it tends to come in waves, in layers. Traumas you thought you dealt with, turns out you didn't. But each time that it comes back up, you find that it's easier to manage. It's easier to deal with. So, Moldavite does in fact help you shift into a much higher timeline, a much better version of yourself. However, part of that is you're going to have to face your shadow. You're going to have to face the traumas that you've accumulated over the years. So, bet you didn't know that.